where do you recommend people get started? So what is the starting point? Obviously, being able to spend time with someone like you who can walk us through it is a good starting point. What are some examples of good starting points for all of us to be doing to awaken our higher consciousness? Where would you put us? Where would you start? You can kind of walk us through that.
Well, first, one has to have the desire, a paramount desire to awake and to stay awake. That's primary number one. If you don't have that desire is a good sense in how we're speaking about this. Soul desire, if you will, an urge, soul urge to awaken. That could also mean enlightenment. That can mean the full ascension thing and all that. But if that's not paramount in your life to wake up, then everything else becomes a little busyness stuff, right? And you don't get to the core. So once you make a decision, a choice, a declaration, we work with declarations. So how about you folks do this? You're still in that state. I now choose to declare that which I choose to experience in my daily life, ongoing. So we keep it simple. Okay, once you make a declaration, the universe now begins to formulate around your intentions and begins to bring it to you. So we're not going to say, go read this book or go get a one-to-one session or attend this Zoom event necessarily, but what we're saying is make the declaration within, and then the universe is going to begin to, as you wake up, provide you with signals and messengers like nature, billboard signs, bumper stickers on cars, etc. Will begin to give you messages and messengers, and then it is your job and your responsibility to act upon it, either yes or no.